Foodie, Chef Pete is here. And you know, today we are going to talk about the humble lamb shank. Okay, so Anthony will show you what the lamb shank looks like here. The lamb shank, it was once overlooked cut of meat because it then became, because it was overlooked, the lamb shank became a cut for the working people because it was cheaper. So it comes from the leg of the lamb, alrighty, and it was less desirable because it was tough and it needed to be cooked slowly, okay? So as they became more affordable over the years, it became a culinary challenge because they're tougher. So the way I like to cook them is in the slow cooker over here, and that we have, and Anthony will show you the slow cooker, which we have here. And so in the last decades, the lamb shank has been rediscovered not just by restaurants, but by the home cooks. And they either roast them in the oven or they do them in slow cookers. You can pressure cooker it if you like, okay? But here's a few things to remember about the lamb shank. They're flavorful, affordable. As if you were to buy a whole leg of lamb boneless, it would cost you $40. These lamb shanks, these beautiful humble lamb shanks here, will probably cost us maybe about $10, $5 a piece at today's prices, okay?
And you get that flavor.
And then we're going to cook them in our slow cooker over here, and we're going to get a delicious flavor because I'm going to mix it with some wine and salt and pepper, oregano, a little garlic powder. Okay, and so there we have it. Now, you want this? If you can find them, good luck. I have a hard time finding them, and when I do find them in the store, or I find them at Amazon Grocery, or at the Albertsons Grocery, or wherever grocery you shop, Kroger's, wherever you shop online or you go in person, grab them, because they are something that other people love. Some people have an aversion to lamb. I understand that. This is not mutton, an old lamb. This is not old. This is spring lamb, which doesn't have the old mutton taste, okay, which a lot of people grew up with on the farm. Okay, so there we have it. When we come back, that's our backstory on lamb shanks right here. That's our backstory, and we're going to put these and start to brown them, and we're going to cook them up the slow way to make them really tender and make a delicious meal out of these beautiful, just for the working man, for everybody, lamb shanks. The humble lamb shank. This is Pete out.